Session of BSc Agriculture third semester course Biochem 231. Students, in previous class we learned about the properties of water in association with pH, and with this the introductory part of biochemistry was over. And from today's session onward we are going to enter into most important part of biochemistry called as biomolecule. What actually the biomolecule means? Biomolecule are nothing but the molecules of natural origin which forms the structural and functional basis of life. We cannot expect the life without biomolecule. Biomolecules are categorized into two types: inorganic biomolecule and organic biomolecule. Inorganic biomolecules are water, mineral and gases. By integrating these naturally origin inorganic biomolecule, the organic biomolecules are synthesized. These are carbohydrate, lipids and fatty acid, amino acid and protein, hormones and enzyme, nucleic acid and vitamins. These are some most important biomolecules playing important and crucial vital role in our body. Let us start first biomolecule carbohydrate. Carbohydrates are playing variety of multi-purpose role in our body. Most important functions played by carbohydrate in our body, that is the source of energy. Let us take the example of athletes and sports person participating in different sport events. These are carrying glucose powder with them as a instant and extra source of energy. Fructose, so it is the fruit sugar. Sugar which is responsible for taste, the sugar which is responsible for quality and the palatability. So fructose is one of the most important source of energy, fruit sugar. Next, most important example, starch. Starch known for storage of energy. Hence, carbohydrates are playing important role as a reservoir or storage of energy. Carbohydrates are playing important role as a structural element. Carbohydrates are playing important role as a lubricating agent in skeletal joint. Carbohydrates are responsible for absorption of calcium, phosphate and other types of elements and nutrients in our body. Carbohydrates are responsible for imparting strength, potential to the body. Consider the example of cellulose. Cellulose is responsible for imparting strength, potential, and the woody portion of plant is composed of cellulose and lignin. Then in case of the cotton, the 60 to 70% of part is composed of with the cellulose. Cellulose is playing important role and most abundantly found carbohydrate in the nature. Next, the glycogen, the reservoir of energy in case of liver. The agar-agar, one of the best media known for gums and mucilages. So in case of gum, so gums are also one of the most important carbohydrates. These are some most important functions played by carbohydrates. Lipids are rich in calorific value. Lipids are playing important role as a reservoir of energy, storage of food. Lipids are responsible for the forming insulating material over the cell and organ. Absorption of fatty acid is carried out by the lipid. Lipids are also playing important role as a structural material. Lipids are known for their calorific value. Let us take the example of the fat and oils. Fat and oils are responsible for supply of energy as well as the storage of energy. We are the people of health conscious era, and in case of this, the MUFA, PUFA, bad cholesterol, good cholesterol, these are all concepts related to the lipid that we have to study later on in detail. These are some important functions played by lipid, and other most important functions are listed in front of you. Next most important biomolecule are the protein. Protein are responsible for storage of genetic information, transfer of genetic information and the generation of genetic information. Protein is also playing a role as a source of energy. Proteins are also playing important role for repair and maintenance of different activities in the body. Proteins are playing a role as a wound healing and the maintenance of the body. Proteins are playing important role for transport of different biomolecules, nutrients, elements and circulatory fluids in the body. Most of the enzymes, hormones, other secretions, fluids are made up of with protein. The collagen. Collagen is one of the most important protein present in the bones, and collagen is responsible for maintaining the skeletal structure of our body. Bones. Next, most important function played by the protein are known as defenses and playing important role as a antibody in the body. Antibodies in the body. These are some most important functions played by protein in our body. Next, most important biomolecule are the nucleic acid. Nucleic acid are playing important role as a source of genetic information, transfer of genetic information, and the transfer of hereditary material from parent to its offspring. The storage of genetic information, transfer of genetic information, transport of different hereditary signals, and the signal from the nervous system carried the to and fro signaling, the variety of different hereditary activities carried out by the nucleic acid in the body. In detail explanation we will study later on in detail. These are some important role played by the nucleic acid in the body. Other functions of nucleic acid are enlisted in front of you. Next, most important biomolecule. Enzymes are known as catalysts. The most important activity played by the enzymes are to regulate the different activities and to maintain the balance of these activities is most important function carried out by the enzyme. Enzymes are responsible for maintaining the acid-base balance. The enzymes are responsible for regulating the different metabolic physiological activities, the transfer of signaling and the transport of material is carried out by the enzymes. Then inactivation of toxic material, foreign bodies into the body is carried out by the enzyme. The digestion of food is also one of the most important activity carried out by the enzyme. These are some most important activities carried out by the enzyme. Other functions are enlisted in front of you. Next, most important biomolecule are the vitamins. The functions played by different vitamins in our body are enlisted in front of you. First one, the role played by vitamin A to maintain the vision, B for the bones. Next one, the role of E for the heart healthy compound. Next one, the vitamin K for coagulation of blood. Then next one, the B1, B2 and B3 to maintain the healthier nervous system. Then next one, the most important vitamin C. Nowadays the importance of vitamin C is wide known, wide popular. So here the antioxidant role played by vitamin C as a antioxidant. B9, B12 for fertility, for maintaining the pregnancy, for maintaining the fertility, improving fertility. Here the B9 and B12, these vitamins are playing important role. Next one, B7. So for the skin, for the health of skin, hair, nails, the vitamin B7 is playing important role. These are some important functions played by different vitamins in our body. These are some important functions played by different biomolecules in our body. Thank you for watching this video.